Hello student, yesterday you saw that how king ordered that if Ahmad would not succeed in whatever he has asked by the emperor, his head will be chopped off. But if he will succeed, then he will be given a lot of reward. So that he will become rich. And you saw that after hearing all those, Ahmad just gasped softly. It means he just breathed. He just exhale the breathed. Exhale is breathing in a soft manner, in a soft way. So actually we do that this when we are slightly relaxed and not worried about how the things will span out in future or not. It actually depends on that day. What happens here, that back home Ahmad took some dried dates. Look at here, student, concentrate on that day. When Ahmad went back to home, he just took some dried date on that. And what is dried date? Date is actually a fruit which was dried, सूखा हुआ खजूर. And then he actually counted out 40 and placed them in a jar. So actually he took 40 dried dates and put them inside a jar. What is a jar? A jar is actually a bottle of glass. A bottle of glass which is generally used for storing pickles and something else. So in those days there used to be no calendar. So how he would get to know that how many days has passed or not, he actually took a jar and kept 40 dried dates inside it, and every day from now on he will eat one date each day. एक खजूर हर एक दिन खाएगा. He will eat one date each day from now on. And then what he actually did, he actually tells here his wife that I will eat one of these dates each evening. That will tell me when my 40 days are done. So with this he will get to know that whether his 40 days have been completed or not. Now students, it happened that one of the king's own servants was of the 40 thieves. So actually you saw that there were total 40 thieves, because in those days there were no vehicles in which you can carry the chest of the jewelries. So the people has to pick it from their own hands. So as there was actually 40 chests stolen, so there were 40 thieves also. And what happened that one of the king's own servants, king had generally many servants in past time, in those days. So among all those servants, one of the servants was actually among the thieves, among the 40 thieves. And he had heard the king speak to Ahmad. That same evening he hurried to the thieves meeting place and reported to the thief. So reported to the chief. So what happens here, student, that the servant who was the thief himself, actually he heard everything whatever Ahmad told to the king, and that is why he was slightly worried. And on that very evening he actually went to the thieves meeting place, and he reported to whom? He reported to the chief of the thieves, the head of all those thieves, who actually guided them, who actually directed them how to thief or how to steal those 40 chests. So now here, student, what happens that servant is telling to the chief, and what he is telling, there is a diviner who says he will find the treasure and the thieves in 40 days. So actually, a student, the servant who was the thief went to the chief of the thieves and told him that a diviner has come into the court and he has told that he will find the thieves in next 40 days. So he actually reported everything to the chief of the thieves. Now the chief is saying that he is bluffing, don't not worry about him. He is just bluffing, but we can't afford to take chances. Go to his house and find out what you can. So actually chief first said that he is bluffing. Who is bluffing? The diviner. It means Ahmed is bluffing. He thought, the chief of the thieves thought that this man would be bluffing, but he further adds that, we cannot take chances as it can be risky. If we got caught, then we will be killed. So he asked his men, he asked the other thieves actually, he asked this servant himself to go to the house of the diviner and actually find out the truth, what the diviner is actually about. So a student, here you are seeing that, the word bluffing means when someone is lying and telling something falsely. ऐसे fake रहे, it's like that. Now what happens here, student, that so the servant climbed up to the terrace on the flat roof of Ahmed's house, and he stood listening on the stairs that led inside. Just then Ahmed took the first date from the jar and ate it, he told Jamil. So what happens here, student? You are seeing that, on that night when chief of the thieves ordered the servant to go to the diviner's house and find out. So when the servant actually went to the Ahmed's house, he actually went up to the terrace. And what is the terrace? Terrace is actually the roof of your house. So he went to the terrace, and when he was seeing from his terrace inside his house what Ahmed is doing, at just that very time, just that very moment, actually Ahmed took the first date that he has to eat every day from the jar, and then he actually indicated to his wife, look at here, he just took the first date from the jar, this is the jar, and he took the first date and he told, look at, this is the first date. So this is the one day has passed, it means to say. But as he said about the date that this is the first date, this is the first one. The thief who was on the roof of the Ahmed to listen what he is talking, he actually thought that he is telling about myself. He has actually recognized me. Ahmed actually tell, that's one. The servant gasps loudly, nearly falls over. So after hearing this from Ahmed, that's one, servant was actually gasps loudly. He actually gave a very shocking expression, and then he was about to fall down. But the thief was so shocked, nearly fell down the stairs. He hurried back to the meeting place and told the chief. He was very shocked to hear from Ahmed that he has recognized him, and he actually told him as the first thief. That's what this servant understood what Ahmed said, and that is why he again went back to the meeting place of the thieves and told to the chief that diviner actually knows everything. He has recognized me. Just listen, just read here what he actually tells to the chief. He is saying that this diviner has amazing powers. Without seeing me, he knew I was on the roof. I clearly heard him say, that's one. So actually what here happening here, student, you were saying that Ahmed was actually talked about this date, but servant thought that he did not see me, and even without seeing me he knew that I was on the roof, and he actually knew I am the first thief. So he thought that this diviner Ahmed had some amazing powers, and he will definitely find out, and all this he actually explained to his thief, to the chief of the thieves. So now what the chief is telling? Chief is telling that you must have imagined it. Tomorrow night 2 of you will go. So now the chief is saying that you are a shocking person. You just have imagined. I don't think that he could recognize. You just have imagined. So what happened here, student, that next night the servant returned to Ahmad's room with another of the thieves. As they were listening, Ahmad at a second date and said,